There it is, everybody. Homemade Pizza Beddia. It looks pretty good. The dough looks good. Oh, it's so nice and soft. Oh, crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. It's delicious. Oh. Oh. Listen to that. Listen to that. Yeah, everything turned out good. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today, I have a special one. This is going to be one of my favorite videos. We're going back to pizza, and we're going to do a special pizza today. Some people call this pizza the best pizza in America. Everybody that tried it loves it, and it's not from New York. So, it's a special pizza. We're gonna go to the city of Philadelphia. Pizzeria Beddia, voted best pizza in America, owned by Joe Beddia, and we're gonna do the replicate. We're gonna try to replicate it at home today in this video. Pizzeria Beddia, best pizza in America. Let's go. All right, look at this beautiful dough. It's amazing. It's been in the fridge for 24 hours overnight, and then Pizzeria Beddia style, I heard he proves it for another 4 hours, room temperature, before he makes the pizza. So I proved this one for about 2 hours. Alright, it's been a long struggle to get it to this point. Let's put it in the oven, bake it, and see how it turns out. Pizzeria Beddia, homemade pizza copy. Sprinkle some oregano. Shave some cheese. Right on top of it. Give it just a little touch of oil. That's it. It looks good. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Oh, delicious. Look at that. Nice. Turned out pretty good. I didn't think it was going to turn out this good, to be honest with you. I have to admit, I had big problems making this pie because leaving it outside after proving the dough for 24 hours in the fridge and then leaving it outside for a couple hours, I felt like my dough was collapsing on me, and I had to work extra hard to save it. And at the end, pizza turned out looking really, really good. So I'm probably gonna do this recipe again. I'm gonna be more careful about the timing, because you have to really stay on top of it the whole time. That being said, let's taste this pizza and see if it really tastes like the best pizza in America. Beddia pizza, homemade. Let's taste it. I'm just gonna cut into it. That looks good. It's the front. It's the bottom. It's delicious. Crust turned out really good. I was really surprised because I was having big problems making it. Tastes really good. Good tasting pizza. Is it the best pizza in the United States? I don't know. This is good homemade pizza? Yep. Sure is. This is my first attempt at this pizza. I'm going to do this video again. I'm going to study this a lot more. It's a challenge now. I'm going to study this a lot more. I'm going to make it again. As always, guys, if you have any questions, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any idea how this pizza is made, if you have the inside secrets, please let me know, because I want to do it again. And as always, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Wow, guys, I gotta tell you, this has been the hardest pizza video so far. But I have to tell you, this pizza is delicious. I had a lot of problems making this video. I had a lot of issues making this video, but I never quit. I never stopped. And at the end, we got that pizza done, and it's delicious. It's a great pizza. So as I said before, let me know in the comments below if you guys have any inside info on how this pizza's made, any tricks of the trade, and I'll definitely do another video on it, because it's that good. I definitely want to try it again. As always, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.